It's a viral claim that we've seen in headlines and hundreds of social media posts that U.S. military forces raided a tech company in Germany and found evidence that the U.S. election had been tampered with. Now, this claim was repeated by U.S. Representative Louis Gohmert from Texas.
I don't know the truth. I know that there was a German tweet in German saying that on Monday, U.S. Army forces went into Seidel and grabbed their server.
So let's break this down. Who is Seidel, and did a military operation find evidence of election tampering on Seidel's servers in Germany? Our main source is the U.S. Army, the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, and Seidel themselves. First off, Seidel. They're an election-based software company headquartered in Barcelona, Spain. They provide 7 U.S. states with software that lets counties upload their counted results so they can be viewed by the public in real time. Seidel published this statement saying the U.S. Army has not seized anything from Seidel. They don't even have offices or servers in Germany where the U.S. military is supposed to have raided them, and their machines don't actually tabulate or count votes. They just store data sent to them by counties. The Verify team also reached out to the U.S. Army. A spokesperson told us these allegations are false. And Chris Krebs, the head of the United States Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA, posted that these claims are disinformation and that election-related servers were not recently seized in Europe by the U.S. Army. Bottom line, these claims are false. With your Verify, I'm Jason Puckett.